In this video, we will show you how to speed up your WordPress website. To speed up your WordPress website, we recommend you to using WP Optimize. This plugin is free but powerful. We can optimize the database, image, and the script. Then, you can just log in into your WordPress dashboard and click Plugin and choose Add New. Type WP Optimize in here. Before we install this plugin, let's check the score for our WordPress website before we doing optimization in here. In here, before we optimize using WP Optimize, the key metric showing T for performance and structure is 94% and performance is 46%. And for LCP or large content element is 4 seconds. Let's install WP Optimize in here. Then click Activate. Then you can click WP Optimize and choose Settings. In here, we can see the menu is Database, Image, Case, or Minify. The database is for optimize the database, image for optimize image. Let's click Image first. For image, we can click Automatically Compress New Edit Image. Then we can make this for maximum compression in here. Then in here we can click Cache. We can enable page caching so our page will faster when user or visitor is visit our website. Then we can minify. Enable minify for WP Optimize. And last is for database. For database, we can make or run selected to optimization. We can select one by one, or if you click check all in here, then run all selected optimization. Wait until it's done. After all complete, we can check again on key metrics. We can repeat to check in key metric to see the effect of cache. In the first is 78% in here. We can check again to see if it's better or not. Voila, you can see there, our WordPress website is in grade A for performance and structure. And congratulations, that's all.